Hi everyone, Ray Garrett here, and welcome to another edition of Zap Insider. This week, I want to teach you how to do a technique that I think will really help your business. I want to give you a scenario and then show you how to do it, and hopefully this scenario will kind of spark other ideas in your mind how you might be able to use this technique. This technique deals with something called a UTM, which is basically just a little piece of code you put on the end of a URL to track and redirect where you're sending your traffic to. Now, I want to show you how this little piece of code can really help you in your marketing efforts. So first, let's go through a scenario. I want to show you my screen here, and I've already kind of set this up. This is under the John Zap account, the basic account, and what he wants to do is he wants to be the townhome expert on Whidbey Island. That's a little island in the Washington area, and a lot of people buy vacation homes here. And a lot of people buy townhomes. So what John is going to do is going to go and he's going to buy WhidbeyIslandTownhomes.com from GoDaddy. He's going to own that, and he's going to promote it in his community, saying, "Hey, go to this website and save the search, and you'll be updated instantly whenever a new townhome becomes available." And he's going to promote that on his Facebook and promote that nationwide with Google AdWords. So how does he prevent somebody going to that link on the Coldwell Banker website and then registering and then becoming somebody else's client? Well, there's a little piece of code that he can put in there that would guarantee when somebody goes to this search and they hit save search that they will become John's clients. How does he do that? Well, let me show you the code here. The code is referred by agent and then your login, and the by agent has to be capitalized. Okay, so for John, his entire piece of code is this right here. The referred, capital by, capital agent equals John Zap. Okay, and you can just type this in and just copy it and save it somewhere in your desktop, so you don't have to remember it every time. Just copy and paste it each time you want to do this. Now I'm going to go back to the site here, and now what I want to do is just paste this. And after I do that, I've got the code right there. That entire string of URL is where I can point my domain. So for instance, if I want to go in and manage my own domains here, then I can go in and point. I have to log in again because it signed me out. I can go in and point any domain that I own over to that site. So if I want to point over this one right here, I can go in and just point this domain over to that site. Very easy to do, and I'm not going to go into that whole process today, and there will be a link in the description below showing you how to go in and buy your own URL and point that to another website. Now, why would John want to do that? Well, he wants to get all the clients that come into the site. A lot of people do this, and a lot of people are really successful with it. So that is your Zap Insider special knowledge for the week. And again, check out the links below to get more information on how to do that. But to sum up, there's a specific code called a UTM that you can use on the Zap website. It is just your referred by agent equals and whatever your login is. Then whatever you do on the site, you can go to searches, you can go particular home, and if you paste that little piece of code in at the end, anybody who uses that link to find the website will become your client if they sign in or register. It'll automatically go into Zap, and that's what you want. That's a really good scenario. So anyway, I hope you found this insider tip helpful, and be sure to join us each week to learn more insider tips right here. Thanks so much. Have a great day.